Hello students, Namaste. How are you? Fine. Today we will learn Mathematics Standard 7 lesson Rational Numbers, and here today we will learn decimal form of rational numbers. See this example: 2 1 upon 5. 2 is, that is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 upon 5, and this we have to decimal form 2.2, 2.2. But how is it come? There are three ways of decimal form we have to calculate. First, see 1 upon 5, that is 1 divided by 5. 1 take 0, 1 we have to give 0, that is take 1 and 1 0, that is 10. 5 2s are 10, that is 1 upon 5 is equal to 0.2. Then second way, 11 upon 5 is equal to, we have to divide by 2. 5 2s are 10, remain 1, take 1 0, then 10. 5 2s are 10. Here remainder is 0, that dividend process is completed. Dividing process is completed when your remainder is 0. Then third way, 11 upon 5, I have given, that is numerator and denominator. I transfer that denominator into 10, that is 5 into 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10, that is I will multiply also numerator as 2. 11 into 2, 22. 22, then 1 0 we have to put 1.2.2, and this is the decimal form of 11 upon 5, that is 2.2. Then next example, minus 5 upon 8. We have to divide 5 and dividend here 8. 8 बघायला 5ला 8ने भागायचा आहे. पहिला शून्याचा भाग जाईल, राईट 0. देन पुट हिअर डेसिमल हिअर पॉईंट, दशांश चिन्ह इथे ठेवा. नंतर 0 घ्या वरून, 50 तयार होतील. 8च्या पाड्यात 50पेक्षा लहान संख्या आहे. 8 सक 48, 50मधून 48 गेले, 2 राहिले. वरून 0 घ्या, 20पेक्षा लहान संख्या 8 दुनी 16. नंतर 20तून 16 गेले, 4 राहिले. 0 घेतल्यानंतर 8 पंचे 40. In this way we have to multiply and we get, that is minus 5.8 is equal to minus 0.625. This is the decimal form of rational numbers. In these all above examples, we have obtained 0 as the remainder. See here, remainder is 0, and so here remainder is 0. This type of decimal form is called as terminating decimal form. Okay, we can understand. या भागाकारामध्ये बाकी शून्य राहिलेली आहे, भागाकाराची क्रिया पूर्ण झालेली आहे, आणि म्हणून याला आपण टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म म्हणतात. मराठीमध्ये त्याला काय म्हणतात? खंडित दशांश अपूर्णांक. खंडित दशांश अपूर्णांक म्हणजे टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल फॉर्म. नेक्स्ट वन, I will show some examples. See here, 5 upon 3, that is 5 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 2 remain, take 0, 3 6 are 18, 2 take 0, फिर परत 6चा भाग जातो, 3 6 are 18. We conclude that 6 digit is coming repeatedly, that is 1.66 dash dash dash, that is 6 is coming repeatedly. So I give 1 here small point on the top of 6, 1.6. The next example, 2 upon 11 decimal form. 2 divided by 11. First 0, 11 ones are 0 point, 11 ones are 11, 9 remain, take 0, 90, small quantity in 11 table, 11 8s are 88, then 2, then next 2 0, 11 ones are, and here we can observe that here 1 8 is the coming after and after, that is 18 is coming repeatedly. So I have written here single bar on that 18 digit. The next example, 7 upon 3, that is 7, 3, 3 2s are 6, then take 1 remain, take 0, 10 form, 3 3s are 9, 1 here 0, 10 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 remain, and this process will be continued, that is 3 digit is coming and coming repeatedly. So I have written here 2.3 and give small dot on the 3. The next example, 5 upon 6, decimal form of 5 upon 6, 5 divided by 6, that is 6, 5 is smaller than 6, then we have to divide by 0, come 5, then take 0, 50 will form, 6 8s are 48, 2 remain, take 0, 20, 6 3s are 18, then 20, then 6 3s are 18. Here after 8, 3 digit is coming repeatedly, that is 0.833 dash dash dash. So I have written 0.83 and I have write here small dot on the 3 point. The next one I will conclude that here, that is single, we know the single digit of, see here, the single digit or a group of digits occurs repeatedly on the right side of the decimal point. This type of decimal form of rational number is called the recurring decimal form. And first is the terminating decimal form and second one recurring decimal form. I think we have understand this. Okay. The next one we have to solve practice set number 24. I will solve some examples. See here, that is first example, 13 upon 4. 13 take 0 0, 4 3s are 12, 1 remain, take 0, 4 2s are 8, 2 remain, take 1 0, 4 5s are 20. Here remainder is coming 0 and 13 upon 4, that is decimal form is 3.25. Okay, this is one example. Then second one is 7 upon 8, minus 7 upon 8. This 7 and 8, take 0, 8 is smaller, 7 is smaller than 8, then we have to divide by 0, 7 will remain, take 0, 70, 8 8s are 64, then 6 remain, take 0, 68 7s are 56, 4 remain and 8 5s are 14. Here decimal form of minus 7 upon 8 is equal to minus 0.875. Okay, then I think these two form of decimal form we have understand very well, that is terminating decimal form, and these two are the examples of terminating decimal form, and second one is recurring decimal form. We have to solve practice set 24. Other remaining examples we have to solve in your notebook and post on WhatsApp group. Okay, I think you will understand. Thank you.